In this video, we will walk you through the steps to create your Amazon Flex account and get started as a delivery partner. Open the Amazon Flex app on your Android or iPhone. On the welcome screen, tap Sign in with Amazon. Sign in using your existing Amazon account. Enter your email address and password. Then complete the verification process by entering the OTP sent to your phone or email if prompted. Next, allow the permissions requested by the app, including location, notifications, and camera access. These permissions are required for using Amazon Flex and completing your registration. Once you're signed in, review the eligibility requirements. To become an Amazon Flex driver, you must be at least 21 years old, have a valid driver's license, a social security number, a checking or savings bank account, auto insurance that meets local requirements, and a 4-door mid-size sedan or larger vehicle. After confirming that you meet the requirements, tap Get Started. Next, choose the days you're available to make deliveries. You can also mark your preferred delivery days. Select your preferred delivery times, then tap Next. Enter your vehicle information, including the year, make, model, and fuel type. If your vehicle meets Amazon Flex requirements, you'll receive a confirmation message. Tap Continue. If Amazon Flex is currently accepting drivers in your area, continue with the remaining registration steps, which may include uploading your driver's license, verifying your insurance, and completing an identity verification. If there are no openings in your area, you'll be given the option to join the waiting list. Amazon will notify you when new delivery opportunities become available. That's all you need to do. You've successfully started the Amazon Flex account registration process. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.